for these bullets you gon' get for free.
What a lagger. Look at this guy. Jeez. We out, bro. We out to Good Look League. Oh yeah, it's running. It's like it's a long story. It's a fucking long story, but it's running.
Long story, my butt.
It's good. It's good. We out. Good Luck League tandems or what? Sheesh.
I'm trying to eat food. My stomach.
Yeah, let's go. And just like that, we're at the track. Damn, swapping tires already? Look at these wheels, so sick. Legit 3-piece. Little minis. We got a little setup. We prepared, man. Stag tires. Ooh, track's hot already. Let's go peep it. What do you have to say?
See, it's the superior chassis.
Man, I'm fucking done with it, dude. Ooh, this coupe is so clean. Hey, man, hey, you gotta practice. This is a technical track. It's super tight up there in that corner. Ooh. Hell yeah. Damn, okay. FC on game. Oh my God, dude. Bro, I can't wait. We're next. I like your sweater. Your jacket. Fire. Shout out Shirts Tucked In. Real matcher, girl. First session went amazing. Good ass shakedown. I did a 4-6 swap and a new clutch, so that was a shakedown for me. This one has angle and the car's running like mint, right?
Yeah.
Dude, this was killing it. I'll post clips later on. Once we get a little, we're probably gonna tandem. No fucking lie. This is doing good too. Oh, he's understeering.
Yeah, I keep understeering because my fucking fronts have no grip.
Yeah.
But it's okay, I just need clutch kick more.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, he needs some stickies. I told him get some sticky ass tires, bro, and you'll be solid. But that shit's running solid. This will need to air up the rear. Cause that dual cam, you need like 60 PSI, no fucking lie.
I'm 55.
Oh, 55.
55. See, now is when I get to drive your car.
Sheesh.
I want to drive you here.
Yeah.
Take up your side.
How you like it? How you like it? It's fun? Look at that in the background. So cool. Sheesh. That dude in the drone, I gotta get that footage, dude. I have a drone, but it's not as fast as his. Check out the channel, check out the video. And D over here doing fucking a diff swap out of nowhere at the track. He's like, nah, I can't do it at the house no more. We have to do it at the track. Yeah, look at these wheels. These are Luis's front wheels. They fit so good. Look at this fitment. The fucking roller coaster of emotions just to get this car running. Bro, literally, let's show you. Yeah, because literally this video is the update of that it's running. We're literally at Thunder Hill. He drove it out here. He's got to break in the engine.
This is the break-in process.
Yeah, it's a break-in process.
It starts right up.
Sheesh. Sounds so good.
Exhaust leaky though.
I know, exhaust leak. Ooh. You guys won't believe it. It was a fucking ground on the ECU. There's like...
I retucked it.
Oh, okay, he tucked it. Right here, there's this bowl right here. There's like 10 grounds. And it went here, but it was stripped. He put it here, tightened it, and bro, it started instantly. And then it was just a little button up shit.
New clutch.
I just had to let him borrow a fuel rails because his injectors were leaking. And he dizzy, and that's it. Yeah, it was literally the ECU. But look, he went back to Zenki. He's probably gonna do the Sylvia later on. Well, that's the car, man. That's 2 videos of us struggling. Literally, and like 2 months of us crying. Oh, this one lost a side skirt already? Look at this guy. Damn, my bad.
That was me hitting his door.
His side skirt.
With no angle. This is me drifting.
𝖘𝖚𝖇𝖘𝖈 are the best. Look at this. Yeah, we fit in here hella hard.
No, we don't. We're a mini final bout.
Mini final bout. You fit in. Nah, y'all fit in next.
I'm stuck
this one.
Once we paint all these cars, once we paint all our cars, sheesh.
Yeah, paint, not wrap.
Y'all ain't ready.
What's up?
We're about to go on our second session.
First time driving in this car.
Sheesh, I'm gonna show them what's good. Then I could drift to Z. Damn, I'm in Luis's car right now. Sheesh.
I took this out because it rattles off and it falls out.
Damn, look at that shit now. Okay. Dude, Luis has been killing it, dude.
First event.
Yeah, first event. Keep doing it. There's cousin. Fucking super hikers. Fuck, the angle? Oh my gosh, it's so sick. Now I'm in my car. Hell yeah, we gritting up.
He's about to show me how it's done.
Yeah? Now Luis is passenger now.
Hell yeah.
Sheesh. This fool about to film right now. Oh. Well, that was a bummer. Go round two. Let's do a little better this time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fuck yeah. That was it right there. Woo. I'm gonna get a lap.
My phone.
Slow-mo?
Yeah.
Too slow? I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, they just wrecked. Dude. Sheesh. Oh, look at the mud. Oh my gosh, dude. He's hella mad. Oh, dude, that thing is fucked.
Yeah.
Dude, that's what happens. Hey, drift life.
You get lost in the smoke.
Yeah, this cousin just fucking blew his tranny.
Yeah, no, clutch went out. It's done.
Yeah, blew up his tire, destroyed it, delaminated that bitch. Yep. Damn. For cheap eBay tires, that's pretty good.
Ow.
Hella starts bleeding.
Look at that.
And then D got hella angle. And look at his. Oh,
What's in there?
rebuild it.
They left a message in here.
What's in there?
14x4.
I had a tire and it fucked with my kid, dude. R.I.P. kid. That's an easy fix though. Still look good.
Oh my god.
sick. We only tandem twice in our fucking life, and we're gonna get good. We're gonna get hella good. Just watch, dude. We're gonna be touching doors. My little single jingle with the 4.6. Look at that. Hella miles on it, but it's fucking keeping up. So cool. I gotta thank Babe for filming.
Oh my god.
Thank you, babe. She got a lot of footage, so it's gonna be sick. There's some dude taking good ass pictures, so hopefully I find him. But look at the sky. Holy shit, dude. I've never been here at sunset. We all loaded. That was all the sessions. The last 2 hours we were fucking mashing, tandeming. We have hella footage of that. That shit was fire. We broke parts. We burned some tires, blew some shit. This fool was shooting flames and shit. We about to go to T-Saint right after this. Go eat In-N-Out over there.
I only used half of the wheel.
Camber, bro. I love white wheels, but you gotta get a zero camber, dude. Because tires are not cheap, dude. Especially once we put down power, you're gonna be going down. Sheesh, looks like a wrap. We out. Let's go home. That's it.